Ladies and gentlemen, we got Francis Magandaya. Friends from the house, we got Cyril Manabat. Up next, we got someone close to my heart, ladies and gentlemen, Mr. Enzo B. Mr. Fitchett is in the house. There we go. Let's call in the captains of our ship, Direk Raymond Ocampo. Also joining us is, of course, Direk May Cruz Albion. Before we go to our stars, let's call in our business unit head, Ms. Tess Guzman. Shining, shimmering, splendid. I miss this. And now, Camila, you better get ready because we got Mr. Carlo Aquino. Hi, Carlo. Ladies and gentlemen, kapamilya, we give you Mr. Joshua Garcia. Hey. Hi, Josh. Hello, I'm over here. Hello. And to complete the cast for this afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, we've got the very beautiful, the one and only Miss Anne Curtis. Again, ladies and gentlemen, palamakan po natin the creatives and the cast of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Later on, we're going to be hearing a lot from them. But to kick off our program, we have something truly magical in store for everyone. For those who haven't seen the series yet, or for those who have seen the original series, this thing that we're going to be showing you, this might be something familiar. Okay? Pero para sa mga hindi pa nakapanood itong original series, ito ang isa sa mga dapat yung pakaabangan. A moving shadow play performance inspired by a beautiful children's book written by Mia Fernandez. So, ladies and gentlemen, even our Kapamilya stars, I invite you guys to open our hearts, open our imaginations as we present this special piece. Watch this. And so much more. Mabigat, mahirap, pero kinakailangan at nagawa po ng ating production cast. And makikita po natin snippet in just a bit, pero syempre, gusto ko lang po sabihin na it's batibat po at sa batibot, baka mamaya mag-use ko kayo, magkaiba po yun. Okay? I know that we'll be discussing the psychological aspect of this series later on, especially with the cast. But to take a breather, why don't we make our cast say hi to you guys first? Let's start with Sir Henry.
Hello, magandang hapon. Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat at sa mga nanonood online. Welcome po. Sana po, salamat sa pagsama niyo sa amin ngayong hapon.
breathe in, breathe out. It's okay to not be okay. He's preparing for one speech mamaya. Abangan po natin yan. Ms. Ria Locsin, fresh from Baguio.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Salamat po sa pagsama sa akin dito. Lahat po kami ay excited na mapanood yung aming pinaghirapan kasi hindi po naging madali ang trabaho at location kami. Marami po kami mga pinagdaanan pero masaya kaming lahat at nakagawa kami ng isang teleserye na may aral, may pagmamahal, at makakapulutan po ng magagandang katuruan, hindi lang sa pagmatanda, kundi para sa mga bata. Maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Sure, maraming salamat po, Ms. Rio. Direk Bobot!
Gusto ko lang bumati ng magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Nung pumasok ako dito, nakita ko puro bagets, pero natuwa ko, meron ko mga nakita dito mga nag-grupo pa eh. Kaya nag-grupo ko, oy, hindi naman papiya naman tayo dito. Simple pa kayo ha. Magandang hapon sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa abang ko ninyo.
Thanks, Direk. Ms. Agot.
Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Kahit hindi magandang panahon sa labas, we are always grateful to have you support our project. So, sit tight and marami kayong matutunan sa mga.
Exciting. Francis.
Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat sa oras na binigay niyo sa amin. Malaking bagay po ito para sa amin, bawat member ng cast dito. As a fan of the original show, I'm very happy to be here. And I hope you will be as happy, if not more, sa makikita na pinagdaanan para sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
Thanks, Francis. Kausapin naman natin ang naging kaduo mo sa series na to, Cyril.
Ayun, magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat po na lahat po kami dito po sa pagsama po sa amin sa event po na to. Sana po hindi lang po tayo lahat ma-entertain and sana kapulusan niyo po natin ang awareness yung mga malalaman po natin today and from the series po. Maraming salamat po.
Thanks, Sai. How about you, Sean?
Yes, thank you very much for your time, everyone. I know it's been raining for the past couple of days and also this afternoon, but thank you very much. Maraming salamat sa pag-distorbo sa akin, Joshua. Pero maraming salamat po. I know your time is very important and we ask your help to help us promote It's Okay to Not You. Thank you.
Thank you, and Sean. Let's go to Direct Raymond first.
Hi, good afternoon. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng napunta niyo dito. And sana po masuportahan niyo po kami sa ating palabas.
Thanks, Direct. Direct May.
Hello, good afternoon to everyone, to all those who are here and to all those watching online. Maraming salamat sa pagbili ng oras para sa amin. And we hope that you can help us spread the word. Our show is coming up soon and I hope that you enjoy this afternoon with us. Thank you.
Thank you. From the cabinets, let's go to our business unit head. Is this?
Hello, magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat ulit sa mga nandito at sa mga nanonood online. Let's enjoy this afternoon. Thank you.
And that we shall do. Carlo.
Hi, good afternoon. Salamat po for showing up kahit na masama yung panahon. Samahan niyo po sana kami sa daan papunta sa paggaling.
Wow! Carlo, on point ha? Pinakabahan ko rin si Joshua sabihin niya. Maganda ka na, okay? Joshua.
Hello po, magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa pagbigay ng oras nyo. Tama kahit maulan, maraming salamat. Sa lahat na nanonood online, hello po sa inyo. Thank you.
Thanks, Josh. And finally, Miss Anne.
A hauntingly beautiful afternoon to everyone that's here today. No, but as everyone said here today, we hope that you can join us on this beautiful yet painful journey of healing.
Thank you, thank you. We're so excited to hear your answers sa mga katanungan namin lahat para sa inyo and most specifically for the series we're about to watch. Before that, we've prepared something special for everyone that will surely capture all of your hearts. performing for the first time ever the official soundtrack of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Kapamilya, we give you Angela Ken. Maybe we'll hear that version very, very soon. But what you've heard is Katang-Isip, a beautiful song written by Ben and Ben. Pero alam nyo, hindi na ito Katang-Isip ha. Kasi ang tagal sa tagal na production, sa creators of a shoot, finally guys, it's here. Ipapalabas na ang obra nyo, ang masterpiece nyo. That is called It's Okay to Not Be Okay. And to give you a snippet, ladies and gentlemen, kapamilya, of this beautiful masterpiece, I invite you to look at the screen and watch this.
And these stories serve as a reminder of our reality. True love is an illusion.
I spread yun to the crew, to the cast. I hope maramdaman yun. I hope maramdaman yung warmth na binigay namin, yung powers, yung dugo namin. Yun lang ang nais ko. Kung hindi man, sana at least nag-enjoy kayo. Or meron kayo ng ulog mula dito. Maraming salamat po sa tiwala na binigay niyo sa amin, mga cast members. Mag-enjoy po na. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Okay, enjoy talaga lahat. Thank you, Francis. Cyril.
Ayun po, maraming salamat. And sana po yung curiosity and yung interest niyo po sa show. Sana magdala-dala niyo po yan hanggang sa pag-show mismo ng series na to. And all throughout po ng pananood hanggang sa dulo po ng series, sana po nandun pa rin yung interest at yung curiosity niyo po sa bawat aabangan niyo po. And at the same time, gusto ko po bukod po sa mga nanonood at sumama sa amin ngayon mga po. Gusto ko rin po mag-thank you sa mga po sa creatives, sa directors, and of course po sa cast. Kasi kung naman po kabigat yung story na pinaparating po namin sa inyo lahat. Sana po through screen, maramdaman niyo rin po yung love. Kasi kung kahit sobrang bigat po itong lahat, naging light po talaga at sobrang sarap po talaga yung bond at yung relationship na nabuo po namin sa isa't isa. Kahit po sinasabi namin na almost a year kami nag-work together, parang sobrang bitin pa rin po siya. And at the same time, parang sobrang isip po nung tayo na meron kami kasama yung isa't isa. Thank you po everyone.
Thank you, Sai. Mr. Pitchek.
Kami lang po yung nakikita ninyo dito ngayon sa harapan ninyo, pero marami po kami bumubuo ng It's Okay to Not Be Okay. So I'd like to grab this opportunity to say thank you to our editors, to our production assistants na minsan sila talaga yung representasyon ng character ni Malet na sobra-sobra na yung trabaho, buyat, pagod, pero nakangiti pa rin sila kapag umaharap sa amin. Maraming salamat sa bumubuo ng Star Creatives. Thank you kasi binalik nyo ulit yung pagmamahal ko sa paggawa ng teleserye. And again, sana po matulungan nyo kami kapag pinalabas na namin itong show na ito. And ito po ay galing sa puso, sa pawis at sa huyan na binuo namin. Kaya maraming salamat po sa oras sa inyo. Tulungan nyo po.
Maraming pawis.
Oo naman. Diba?
May mga valedictorian
yun yung mga dito, diba? So, thank you very much.
Thanks, Enchong. Now let's go to our birthday celebrants. Starting off with you, Carlo.
Hindi, iniisip ko sa akin kung sinasabi ko, parang itong buong team na to, perfect blend, perfect timpla. Lahat yung tamang alam, tamang tamis, tamang ginawa namin yun para makagawa ng ganito kaganda. At sana nag-translate yun on screen. Kaya sana po mapanood nyo kami sa July. It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Thank you.
Thanks, Chloe. Josh.
Ako, maraming salamat sa buong team ng It's Okay to Not Be Okay. Alam natin lahat kung ano yung hirap na talaga. Thank you. Maraming salamat talaga. Grabe yung pasensya nyo sa akin. Thank you very much. And sa ABS, of course, sa Star Creatives, maraming salamat. Dahil sa inyo po, maraming salamat po ulit sa pagbigay ng oras at sana po matulungan niyo kami na i-promote ang It's Okay to Not Be Okay ngayong July na po. Thank you.
Thanks, Josh. And Miss Andrews.
Again, maraming salamat po sa pagdayo po dito at sa lahat ng nakatutok, maraming salamat. Again, to those who have watched this before, I hope you watch it with fresh eyes as we give it our own take. And to those who haven't watched It's Okay to Not Be Okay, and this is your first time experience, you're gonna love it. It's a beautiful journey, it's educational, we have the medical terminology where you can learn more about it. It's a journey of healing, and I think it's something that is so universal and that we all can relate to. So maraming salamat, and to the It's Okay to Not Be Okay team, you know, just like Mia, I want to thank you because I didn't feel alone anymore when I was filming this. And to Star Creatives, thank you for choosing me and picking me to be your Mia Hernandez. It's been a long time since I've been on TV as an actress, and I'm so happy that this is my first. So, thank you. And just like Mia, Pat, Matt, we all need help. And we hope that you guys can help us on this journey and spreading the word of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. The healing journey begins this July.
So with that, ladies and gentlemen, again, palapaan po natin the cast creatives, the BOH of It's Okay to Not Be Okay. And before we conclude, can we ask and request actually our cast creatives directly?
In some of my interviews, I'm very, very lucky that I'm part of the show. I think the show brought me back to the love of Encho doing a series, because for a while it's parang nawala. Pero itong show na to, having to work with Anne, I've always said this to a lot of people that I'm so lucky because I got to see how professional and how brilliant Anne Curtis is. Direct May is a reunion is also for us. She's the one who created Kaloy of Magkaribal. We both did. It's always been a dream of mine to work with Joshua and Carlo, and now I got to finally. So, you know, there's a lot of blessings na binigay nitong show na to internally for me. Parang mas malaki yung appreciation ko doon sa trabaho na meron ako. And lagi kong tinatanong minsan sa kanila Henry, kanila Chades na sabi ko, bakit kami? Or bakit sa dami-rami sa dinami-dami ng artista na pwedeng ilagay dito sa show na to, bakit kami? And then, yung sagot nila sort of made you grateful, even more grateful on why you're still here after all what happened to us, after all what we've been through. Ang sarap na lahat ng tao na nandito sa show na to, pare-pareho yung level ng pagmamahal doon sa trabaho na meron kami. Kaya, I'm just grateful and I'm very inspired, and whatever inspiration I got from this show, I will bring to the next project that I will be doing in the future.
Punong-puno yung puso mo talaga. So, okay, sa Ariel. Sai, hello. Hindi ka sabi storyline.
Ano ba sila? Kasi may part dito na parang sa original, may campaign. Yung medyo pumasok sa auto, may campaign. So, kung Filipino, nung ginawa namin, so paano yung campaign dito sa atin sa Pilipinas? Like, may mga pag-provincia, so provincial, may mga drums. So, kasi pagdadalaan natin. So, very Filipino. Unlike sa original, Korean, hindi sila yun. Parang pandemic din nila ginawa sa original. So, buti talaga sa atin.
And this was shot in Bacolod. Negros Island. So we'll be seeing those nuances as well.
Yeah, and like even the stories, like Nasinulat ni Mia, it's our own original. Even the Filipino animation.
The folklore.
Yeah, the folklore, it's all related to
For Direct May. Okay, Direct May, again, coming from MC Richard from Ikawan, what were the biggest challenges in localizing the story while staying true to its emotional core? You mentioned the core a while ago.
Biggest challenges, well, maraming I wouldn't say biggest, but there were a lot of challenges. One is the season, because it played on seasons. So, sa kanila meron kang winter, meron kang, it went through the different seasons. And winter was a big season dun sa story. We don't have winter. So it's really just diba yung summer, tag-araw at tag-ulan. So that's what we played on, that's what we used. So in terms of localizing it, also outfits. Kasi syempre doon winter, di ba naka-winter clothes sila. So hihimatayin naman ang umiya natin kung gano'n ang outfits at kagayan natin. So mas may skin, because of course this is a tropical country. So marami detalye. I can't say what is the biggest.
The flowers.
The flowers, yes, the cherry blossom. So sa kanila cherry blossom, sa atin yung bougainvillea. So parang mga ganun, it's the nitty-gritty, the details. It's all in the details. And then you have traditions, cultures like ito, you mentioned yung pakamangkulam. You know, mangkulam is very Filipino. And then also, in terms of localizing it, in terms of the theme of the show, what is the acceptance of the audience sa mental health? Because that is the thrust of the show and that is the theme. Kailangan natin